Hey guys, an update on Netflix. Yeah, a lot of things to say. I think I've got a box prepared here. We had a great start, like up to plus 3-4%, I think, and now, yeah, a strong rejection here. S&P still looking okay. I think Trump is gonna have a talk in about 1 hour, if I'm not wrong, because it's another time frame, but I think I'm correct. Eyes on that one. Maybe announcing a ceasefire. Okay, S&P doing good, like we talked about in last video yesterday. I mean, when the pre-market opened. But okay, Netflix here. First of all, the structure from the low, I'm not a fan of it, meaning this here. If I zoom in, you know that if I want to, have a motive structure to the upside or to the downside, I want to see a 5-wave move, okay? Like with motive, I mean, okay, bulls are in control or bears are in control. I want to see a 5-wave move up. Here on Netflix, we have got a little 5-wave move inside here, yes, but then this went a little bit too deep in my opinion. It does not invalidate it because it has not taken the low, but once you hit the 886 with a wave 2, in my opinion, it increases the probabilities that this is a B wave instead of a wave 2. In like an ABC, in a larger ABC could be unfolding here, okay? That's why I have this 1.236 FIB. This has to be 236 here, which is a target for a high B wave, okay? So with that, there's a possibility that this wave 2 is not yet done, okay? I will change my view if price now recovers and takes this high, okay? Because this is the maxed, like the maximum Fibonacci retracement that a B wave can push towards when you have an overshooting B wave, okay? Overshooting B wave meaning that your B wave overshoots the previous wave 1 or wave 3 high and then still moves down in a wave C for the wave 2 or the wave 4. In this case, the wave 2. So invalidation for the bearish scenario, meaning that we're gonna do one more leg down here before we continue to the upside, is the $102.5 level. Get above it, hold above it, and you confirm that the wave 2 has bottomed here. As long as we don't do that with respect to this selling candle here, like the volume in this red candle, we have to be aware that we can make one more leg to the downside. And we don't have to worry because it still has a lot of room here to play with. We had this insane pump of 33%. We only went back down like 10%. If you look at the FIB stand from the low to the high, we just tested the 0.32, okay? We have the 0.5 and the 0.618, your strongest FIBs, still below us. I'm gonna keep them here, okay? Should this wave 2 extend here, and that's why this is here, meaning that this could have been an A wave, a B wave, and then now a C wave to the downside. Also backing this thesis is on the 4-hourly, we have bearish divergence here, okay? On the daily as well, I think, yep. And if the candle closes like this, this is a potential topping candle, okay? We wicked and then very strong sharp sell-off. Again, since I started the video, nothing happened to the S&P, but this one still weak. Of course it can recover. Then, like I said, the invalidation for my thesis here is taking this level and holding above it for a direct push inside this wave 3. If that happens, I will add a target box for this wave 3 as well, but I'm not going to do that yet because I don't think we are in it yet. Locally here I had this 886 taken from here. For the bears, this was potentially a 1-2 and then another 1-2 setup, hitting the 886, lowers the probabilities that this is going to be another 1-2 here, indicating that we're going to probably take the high, take this high, and we did so. But we also still have this 886 to the downside, okay? So that's why my door is open for this wave 2 still. Then, okay, W, X, Y, inside a larger A, B, C. Like this. And then we can add the target box for wave C. Because we have an overshooting B wave, the C wave does not have to take the A wave low, okay? So maybe this is your low, okay? Like this. When you have an overshooting B wave, the C wave target box starts with the 0.618, not the 1-to-1. So we have a level here at 97, or like 96.65, together with the point of control of this range at 97.22. So first area to watch, I would say, is here. If we lose that, yeah, we have to move to the 1-to-1 at 93.05, which is generally the level which the C wave likes most, the 1-to-1, okay? But it can move down to the 1.236, the 1.32, and even the 1.618, okay? Like this. But again, this chart has been really strong. They are increasing the prices again, so meaning the future revenue will increase as well. So yeah, now just looking for a 5-wave move down. Let's see if this now can maybe pump up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reach the 1-to-1. Of course, it can be that there's a 1-2 already in here because this is such a sharp move. Watch the 6-1, but if we lose this cluster here, we'll test this one, okay? And then with that, we also have this range here, which will have a point of control somewhere in here. And then from here, when we see strength, when we see a good reaction, I will put the wave 2 low there, and we will, yeah, add a box for wave 3, okay? I'm bullish on this one, but just locally be aware that it might spend a little bit more time here ranging sideways, okay? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.